Assalamualaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So the topic that we will discuss today is the properties and uses of boric acid. So here, first of all, we will have the formula of the boric acid. So the boric acid is H3BO3. It is the acid of boron. It is having three hydrogen atoms and three oxygen atoms with the central atom of the boron. So in the previous lesson, we have learned about its preparation. It can be prepared from the borax. It can also be prepared from the other acids or other three types of acid of the boron. And then we also prepare it with the calcium salt or calcium borate. Its name was colemanite. So this was the three preparation method for the boric acid. So here we will study about its properties as it is having two types of properties. The first one we have physical properties, that what is its melting point, what is its boiling point, along with its density, its color, its physical state. And then we will study about its chemical properties, that what are its chemical properties, how it can react with the other elements, what is its bonding type, what is its reaction rate, and what are the main products when it going to react with the water or other substances. On the other hand, we will also study about the uses of the boric acid, that where we can use the boric acid on our daily life. So let's start. The first one we have its physical properties. Mainly boric acid, it is a weak acid. It is weak. It is monobasic Lewis acid. So it is mainly a monobasic. Monobasic means it just produced one ion and it is the acid of boron. Physical properties we have, it is colorless, is a form of crystals, or it may be also present in the form of white powder. On the other hand, we have its many chemical properties. It is antiseptic, insecticides, flame retardant, and we also have its side effects or hazards. It is having respiratory problems. It can also weak the muscles and also cause the headache. So these are some problems that has been created by the boric acid. Its physical state present in the solid state or the powder form. Mainly it is present in the form of crystals, and it is white crystal means it is mainly colorless. On the other hand, its other physical property, it is mainly volatile in steam. So it is volatile in steam. In steam we have the vapors of water. Then we have its some chemical properties, that how it can react. First one chemical property is the reaction with the ethyl alcohol, that how it can react with the ethyl alcohol. For example, here we have the boric acid H3BO3. When we just add ethyl alcohol, whose formula is C2H5OH, when it reacts, it just form the compound. Its formula is C2H5 whole thrice with BO3, along with the production of the water molecule. So this is the product that we gain when it reacts with the ethyl alcohol, and this product we called as ethyl borate. So this is known as ethyl borate when it reacts with the ethyl alcohol. The second is heating the borax. So when we just heat the borax, for example, here we have borax H3BO3 and we heat it at 100 degrees Celsius. So the product we have metaboric acid, which is HBO2, along with the production of the water. After that, when we heat this acid H3BO3 and the temperature is 140 degrees Celsius, then it changes into the tetraboric acid, that is H2B4O7, along with the production of the water molecules. So this is the simple heating. After that, heating this tetraboric acid as a red hot heating, it will be changes into the another product which is boric anhydride as B2O3. This is the boric anhydride upon a red hot heating. This is the last one product that we gain. This is the final product. Then we have reaction with the water. So when boric acid reacts with the water, H3BO3 is going to react with the water. So here the product we gain, as it is a weak acid and it just ionizes to the little extent. So we gain B and four hydroxyl groups will be attached to this, and plus we have the hydrogen ion. So it just make a monobasic acid as it produces just one proton. So it is a monobasic acid. Then we have the neutralization of the borax or boric acid. For example, neutralization means as it is a acid, so when it just reacts with another solution, it just partially neutralized by one substance, that is the caustic soda, and produces the borax. So neutralization to the borax. After that, it cannot be titrated. It means when we add or titrated it again, the different substances, as it is a weak acid, so that's why it just ionizes to the little extent, so it cannot be titrated with the alkalis in an usual manner in the presence of some other substance, like we have glycerol. It can be titrated against the standard alkalis in the presence of some specific indicators, and the indicators that we use for there, it is phenolphthalein. So this was some chemical properties of the boric acid. Then we have the uses of boric acid. The boric acid can be used as a cleaning agent. It can also be used for the elimination of the cockroaches from the kitchen and from the house. It can control the termites. It can control the fire ants, fleas. It is also used on the carom board. It is also used as raw oils of preservatives, so it can be used as a preservatives. It can remove the stains from the clothes, so this is also the cleaning process. It can also use to remove the odor from the cloth, smell from the cloth. It prevent the boron deficiency in the plant, so it is helpful in the production of the growth of the plants. It is also useful in the hydroponic nutrients that are important for the plants. On the other hand, it can be also used for the ornament in the medical industries. It is also used in the candle industry. It can also use for the pure of the different type of allergies. So this was the main some uses of the boric acid in our daily life. It is mainly a dusting powder, or it is also the boric ointment, and its solution is also used as an eye wash. So this is a simple topic of boric acid uses and its properties. I hope you guys understand, and if you have any queries, you may ask me about that in the comment section and I will get back to you guys soon. The next topic that we will have, it is the reaction of aluminium. For that time, you guys keep learning and have a good day.